Graph h of x equals cotangent x. All right, cotangent x is very lovely to graph compared to cosecant and secant because it's kind of like a flipped reverse version of tangent. Now, what do we know about tangent? Tangent goes through 0, 0, looks like this, has a period of pi. So, this happens at half a pi, this happens at negative half a pi, so on and so forth. Cotangent is very, very, very similar. With cotangent, though, we have vertical asymptotes, not at the half pi's, but at the regular pi's. So I will put vertical asymptote at every k pi where k is an integer. Okay. In this case, cotangent is going to look like this. And the period for this is also regular pi. So why don't I do this? Why don't I write out my vertical asymptotes? And if you're wondering, why are the vertical asymptotes here? Cotangent can be written out as sine over cosine. Sorry, I'm trying to draw dots and speak at the same time. So whenever cosine, since it's sine over cosine, is equal to 0, that's where I'm going to have my vertical asymptotes. All right. So here you have it. Now, this is going to be, goes right there, goes right there, goes right there, goes right there. And this is going to look like the flipped version of tangent. Okay, so just kind of try to draw that out. Ugh, I'm so bad at these. So kind of like these weird things that change its concavity halfway through. Yeah. All right. So cotangent, a lot friendlier to draw than cosecant and secant. Not friendly, but friendlier. And that's all we can ask for.